Guys, today is not an animation. In fact, it is a new welcoming to our family. It is a kitten named Hiccup. He's crazy and he's scared of his own reflection. Oh yeah, and my mom's in here, so don't mind her. And we also have another cat, so occasionally he'll try to like stick his paws out to try to like get her. I don't really know. He is a very, very small kitten. Come here. Look. He's an orange kitty. And yeah, this is our new member to our family. And oh, whoops, sorry. Whoa. I'm gonna pet him with my foot, but I can't. Anyways, hope you guys like Hiccup. He's a new member to our he's a new member to our family, and he's a good kitty. So see you later.